Hi, my name is Betty K. Ward. I'm the Hinge Product Manager for PemKo Continuous Hinges. Today I'm going to demonstrate our PemKonnect Modular Hinge. We offer the PemKonnect Modular Hinge in two lengths, an 83-inch hinge that is shipped in two pieces, and a 95-inch hinge that is shipped in three pieces. I'll show you how those components fit together. For our 83-inch modular hinge, our customers will receive two hinge segments. There will be a 40-inch hinge segment with an extended cap. There will be a 43-inch hinge segment with a recessed cap, and they fit together very easily. They don't require additional tools or people. We simply recommend you angle the 43-inch piece to get it started in the cap of the 40-inch piece, and then slide them together. I'll show you again. You angle the 43-inch piece to get the gears started in the cap, and you straighten it out, and they slide together. For the 95-inch hinge, you'll receive a 43-inch and a 40-inch hinge segment along with a 12-inch piece that goes in the middle. The 12-inch piece has a floating cap, which is why it's taped together. So we'll begin by removing the tape. We're going to get the cap started, which will allow our 40-inch hinge segment to mate. We'll start with the angle again, and we'll use the cap on the 40-inch to locate the cap on the 12-inch. We're going to use that same concept to attach the last piece at an angle. And together we have a 95-inch hinge assembly. Thank you.